Hey guys, I'm Steff, and welcome to my beauty stash. Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for watching another one of my videos. You know the drill, guys. Before we begin, make sure you click on that subscribe button and ring that bell so that you never miss one of my video uploads. Oh my god, you guys, I am so excited to be sitting down, wear testing, filming with this new e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer with satin finish. I looked everywhere for this. I went to every single Target that was close to me on Christmas Eve. I woke up really early that morning and none of the Targets had it and they didn't know when they were going to get it in stock. So I think it was the day after Christmas. Was it? No, it was actually a few days ago. Today is Wednesday when I'm sitting down filming this video. So it was on Sunday. I checked the Target website and lo and behold, I found that they put it online. I immediately ordered it, and you know that I got that overnight shipping because I wanted to try this for you guys. I wanted you to see how it was going to wear on my normal to oily skin, my 37-year-old normal to oily skin. I'm thinking, guys, that this is going to be a lifesaver, a game changer for the under eye area because on me, and I don't know about you guys, but on me, I want my under eye to be hydrated. I want it to look flawless, to look smooth. I want it to look like I'm 20 years old. So I'm hoping that this new little camo concealer is going to be better suited for the under eye area than the original version of the camo concealer is. I do like and use the original version of camo concealer, but sometimes I feel it can be a little drying under the eye area. So this little beauty right here, I'm hoping is going to be my new favorite go-to concealer for my under eye area. I'll be doing a 12-hour wear test today. So we're gonna see how well this little $6 concealer works. I picked up the shade Fair Warm. I want to say this was the lightest shade that they had on the Target website. Currently, the only place that I've seen this at is Target online. Now, I did see on Instagram that a few people had spotted it in their local stores. I have not seen it in mine, so that's why I wanted to pick it up online. And there are only 8 shades listed on the Target website. Now, you guys know that the original e.l.f. Camo Concealer comes in a wide array of shades, so I'm pretty sure that once e.l.f. releases this on their website, they do the full-blown release of this product, that you're going to see a lot more shades pop up. But for right now, we got 8 shades to choose from. For $6, you get 0.203 fluid ounces of product in here. Again, I'm in the shade Fair Warm. This product does say that it is good for all skin types. It's 100% vegan and cruelty-free as well. Now let me give you a closer look at this new concealer. The packaging is pretty much the same as the original camo concealer, except that the top is white and the other one is black. You do have that large doe foot applicator there, and this is the shade that I have. You can see that on my hand. So it is a lighter shade. I'm going to be anxious to pick up a darker shade in this one, just, you know, to have on hand for the summer. But let me blend this out. You can kind of see. So it is going to brighten my under eye area since it is a shade or two lighter than my natural skin tone, but it feels really creamy, really smooth, the way you'd want a hydrating product to feel. So I am so anxious to be doing my 12-hour wear test on this today. And of course, guys, I'll be giving you all periodic check-ins throughout the day. I'm going to be using the new Estee Lauder Futurist Hydra Rescue. I'm actually going to be wear testing this today as well, and I'm going to set everything with one of my new favorites at the drugstore, the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Translucent Setting Powder. And let's get started with the application portion of today's video. I'm so excited to be trying out this new concealer for you guys, so let's get started. All right, so let's jump into this new e.l.f. Hydrating Satin Camo Concealer. I am in the shade Fair Warm. I have a feeling that this is going to be really great for the under eye area, especially those of us that are over 30 and we're already seeing those little fine lines, unfortunately, starting to develop. We really want to keep that under eye area hydrated. Let me take my damp beauty blender I forgot to mention I did already have foundation on. I actually just applied my foundation. I'm in the middle of trying a new Estee Lauder foundation, which you will see up on my channel probably the day after this one goes up. How was everybody's New Year's? What did you guys do? I had a great time. I love ringing in the new year. I love the idea of new beginnings, new possibilities. You get to start dreaming all over again. All right, I think I'm gonna add a little bit more under my eye area. I usually do that with concealer. Once I have it all blended out, I go back in and just add a little bit more. But this seems to be a really lightweight concealer. I'm actually liking it better than the original so far. I think that the original would be really, like if I was gonna be using the two interchangeably, I'd more so use this one for the under eye area and maybe even a little bit on the forehead, and then for like my nose and chin and to work as like an eyeshadow primer, I would definitely go in with the original one. But under the eye area, you really want that hydration factor because that is such a delicate area of the face. And that's the first place that shows the signs of aging. And you want to keep that as hydrated as possible for as long as possible. I like it. I think the coverage is really good. Again, I'm in the shade Fair Warm. So what do you guys think of this concealer? I think it was a great shade match for me. I think it blended out really easily. Again, this is something I'm thinking I'm really gonna love for the under eye area. So we're gonna give this concealer a good 12-hour wear test today, and the time is 10:42. So I'll be wearing it throughout the day, giving you guys some periodic check-ins to let you know how it's doing. I am gonna go in and set the rest of my face with a little setting powder, and for that I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild translucent powder to do that. And then of course I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup and go about my day. But you guys have a great first day of 2020. This is the first video that I film in 2020, so I'm so excited, and I will catch up with you guys a little bit later. Hey guys, I'm back with the 4-hour check-in of e.l.f.'s new Hydrating Camo Concealer Satin Finish. And what do you guys think? I'm gonna pull you guys in really close here. How do y'all think it is looking under my eye area? I think it looks nice. I wanna see how this is going to wear because it does say it's 16-hour wear. We're not trying it for that long today. We're gonna give it a solid 12-hour wear test. But so far it looks good. I'm not complaining. I don't think it looks bad or anything like that. I don't have any excess oil going on the rest of my face where I applied the concealer, so that is a good thing. It doesn't feel like it's caking up or anything. It doesn't even feel heavy. It feels like it's non-existent on my under eye area, so that is a good thing. So I will be back later on throughout the day to give you guys another check-in, and of course tonight I will give you guys my final thoughts and the final verdict on how e.l.f.'s new hydrating concealer has worn on my normal to oily skin, my normal to 37-year-old oily skin. So I will see you guys a little bit later today. Hey guys, so it's now been 8 hours that I've been wearing the new e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, and I really like, I'm gonna get up close, I really like the way it looks under my eyes. I think it looks the exact same way it did when I first applied it at the 4-hour check-in. It has not budged, and it hasn't really settled into my fine lines under there. It still looks great on my forehead, on my nose, hasn't made me oily at all. This new e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer is doing a really great job. For $6, guys, I think I might have found a new holy grail concealer. I am anxious to try this with a more blurring setting powder, maybe like the Magic Star powder from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, even my Too Faced Peach Perfect setting powder. I think that I could get the same type of blurring effect that I get with like my Jeffree Star Cosmetics concealer and magic setting powder combo. To me, that is like the ultimate in blurring effect, those two products there. But this little e.l.f. concealer, $6, guys, this is doing really, really well. And I had a feeling it was gonna do well on the under eye area, but I'm actually liking it all over my face. face. And also, guys, the foundation that I'm testing out, the new one from Estee Lauder, is doing a great job as well. Be on the lookout for that video. So guys, we have another 4 hours to go. I will be back in a few more hours to give you guys my final check-in and my final thoughts on the new e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I will see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so it's now been 12 hours that I have been doing my wear test on this new e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer with satin finish. And let me again get up close. What do you guys think about how my under eye area looks? I think it looks pretty good. I really don't see any difference between the 12-hour mark and like the 1-hour mark. Everything still looks really nice. My forehead looks nice. My nose looks good. My chin looks good. Everywhere where I laid this concealer down looks really, really smooth, really good. It didn't budge. It didn't crack. It didn't crease. This is probably one of my new favorite drugstore concealers. I like this so much better than the original e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I really love the hydrating properties that this one has. I am so glad that they decided to launch a hydrating version of this concealer. I do enjoy using the regular version, but I do find if I am not well hydrated under my eye area, it can start to cake up on me, and that is the last place that I want my foundation, my concealer to start caking up, is under my eye area. So great job, e.l.f. You guys are getting a huge thumbs up from me. I know a lot of you out there are really going to benefit from this concealer. Again, this is only $6. I did pick it up online at Target. There were only 8 shades to choose from. Now, this is not on e.l.f.'s website as of yet. I'm sure that once they do their full launch of this product, you're going to see a lot more shades pop up. And of course, it's going to be more widely available. I hope my review today was very helpful for you guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching this video. Welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you all so much for being here. You guys have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, drink your water, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.